Before we begin our journey into the fascinating world of grid computing, we would like to remind you to like this video, share it with your tech-savvy friends, and hit the bell button to receive notifications for our upcoming content. Your support helps us to create more engaging and informative videos. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into the world of distributed computing, where thousands or even millions of computers across the globe work in unison to tackle complex computational problems. Are you ready to explore? Hang tight because we're about to get started. Have you ever wondered how an array of computers, spread across the globe, can work together to solve complex problems? Welcome to the fascinating world of grid computing, a technology that's quietly reshaping the way we think about and utilize computing resources. Imagine a world where you could harness the power of thousands, if not millions, of computers, all working in tandem to handle complex tasks. That's grid computing in a nutshell. A form of distributed computing where a grid of computers share resources to work on big projects. The concept of grid computing isn't new. It has been around since the 1990s. It's based on the principle that tasks can be accomplished faster and more efficiently if they're broken down into smaller parts and distributed among multiple systems. The grid in grid computing can be thought of as a virtual supercomputer. It is made up of many individual computers. These could be personal computers, workstations, servers, or even larger systems. These computers can be located anywhere in the world and don't have to be physically connected. The key is that they're networked together, meaning they can communicate and share resources. Grid computing breaks down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Each chunk is then sent off to a different computer in the grid. The computer works on its chunk of the task, then sends the results back. This process is repeated until the entire task is completed. The beauty of grid computing is in its ability to leverage underutilized resources. Many computers spend a large portion of their time idle. Grid computing takes advantage of this by using these idle cycles to process tasks. So, what are the main points to remember about grid computing? First, it's a form of distributed computing that allows multiple computers, potentially spread across the globe, to work together on a shared task. Second, grid computing breaks down complex tasks into smaller chunks, distributing these chunks to different computers in the grid. This allows tasks to be completed faster and more efficiently. Third, grid computing leverages underutilized resources. By harnessing the power of idle computers, it provides a cost-effective way to process large-scale tasks. Finally, the grid in grid computing is a virtual supercomputer made up of many individual computers that are networked together. These computers can be located anywhere and don't have to be physically connected. In conclusion, grid computing is a powerful technology that's changing the way we think about and use computing resources. It's a testament to the power of collaboration and shared resources, demonstrating how, by working together, we can achieve things that would be impossible to accomplish alone. So, the next time you're confronted with a complex problem, remember the power of the grid. After all, many hands, or in this case, CPUs, make light work. As our exploration of grid computing comes to a close, we'd like to remind you to stay connected with us. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into fascinating tech topics. By hitting the bell button, you'll get notified about our latest videos, ensuring you don't miss out on any exciting new content. Your support helps us continue to bring you these insightful explorations into the tech world. Thanks for watching, and remember, the power of the grid is in your hands.